Did you know that the colors you choose for your home can significantly impact your mood and stress levels? Neutral colors like beige, gray, and soft whites promote calm and relaxation. Their understated charm transforms a home into a serene oasis. Neutral hues evoke peace and tranquility. Unlike bold colors, they create a harmonious atmosphere, lowering stress levels. Embrace a neutral palette for a peaceful retreat at home. Neutral colors are praised for their calming qualities. They provide visual rest, allowing the mind to relax. Beige, gray, and soft whites have a soothing effect. These colors do not compete for attention. They enhance comfort and reduce stress. One of the most appealing aspects of neutral colors is their ability to make spaces appear larger and more open. This is particularly beneficial in smaller rooms or homes where space is at a premium. Lighter shades such as soft whites and pale grays reflect more light, which can make a room feel brighter and more expansive. The use of neutral colors also contributes to a sense of harmony within a space. By providing a consistent backdrop, these colors allow for a seamless transition between different areas of the home. This continuity enhances the flow and cohesiveness of the interior design, making each room feel like a part of a larger, unified whole. Incorporating neutral tones into your home doesn't mean sacrificing style. On the contrary, it opens up opportunities to play with different textures and materials, adding depth and interest to your space. By layering various shades of the same color family, you can create a sophisticated and layered look that is both elegant and inviting. Moreover, neutral colors provide a blank canvas for showcasing personal style. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetic or a more traditional look, these shades can adapt to any design preference. They serve as the perfect foundation for adding personal touches such as artwork, plants, or other decorative elements. While neutral colors set the tone for a serene environment, the addition of textures can elevate the coziness of a space. Textures add dimension and tactile interest, making a room feel more inviting and warm. In a home dominated by neutral shades, incorporating varied textures is key to preventing the space from feeling flat or sterile. Consider incorporating soft textiles like wool throws, cotton cushions, and plush rugs. These elements not only add warmth but also encourage relaxation. Imagine curling up on a sofa draped with a chunky knit blanket or walking barefoot on a soft, textured rug. These tactile experiences enhance the comfort of a space, making it more enjoyable to linger in. Textures also offer an opportunity to introduce subtle contrasts within a neutral palette. For instance, pairing a smooth leather chair with a rough-hewn wooden coffee table creates visual interest without disrupting the calm ambience. Similarly, mixing matte and glossy finishes can add depth and sophistication to your decor. Incorporating natural materials such as wood, stone, and linen further enhances the sense of coziness. These materials have an inherent warmth and authenticity that resonate well with neutral colors. Together, they create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere that feels grounded and serene. Section 5. The role of natural light in a serene space. Natural light plays a crucial role in creating a serene and inviting home environment. It enhances the colors of a space, making them appear more vibrant and true to life. Neutral shades in particular benefit from ample natural light as it accentuates their subtle nuances and depth. Maximizing the amount of natural light in your home can be achieved through strategic placement of windows and the use of light-enhancing decor. For instance, choosing lightweight sheer curtains instead of heavy drapes allows more sunlight to filter into the room. This creates an airy and open feel, which is essential for a serene home. The orientation of your home and the size of your windows also play a significant role in the amount of natural light you receive. South-facing windows tend to capture more sunlight throughout the day, while east and west-facing windows provide light during the morning and afternoon, respectively. Consider the direction of your windows when planning your space to maximize natural light exposure. Incorporating reflective surfaces, such as mirrors or glass furniture, can further enhance the effect of natural light. These elements can bounce light around the room, making it feel brighter and more spacious. This not only enhances the overall aesthetic, but also contributes to a more uplifting and energizing environment. Section 6. Amplifying brightness with mirrors. Mirrors are a powerful tool in interior design, particularly in spaces where natural light is limited. They can help amplify brightness, making rooms feel larger and more open. When strategically placed, mirrors can reflect light from windows, effectively doubling the amount of natural light in a room. Incorporating mirrors into your decor is an easy and effective way to enhance the luminosity of a space. Consider placing a large mirror opposite a window to reflect incoming light. This creates the illusion of a brighter, more airy room. Similarly, a mirrored backsplash in the kitchen or mirrored tiles in the bathroom can add a sense of depth and openness. In addition to their functional benefits, mirrors also contribute to the overall aesthetic of a room. They can serve as decorative elements, adding elegance and sophistication to your home. Choose frames that complement your existing decor, whether it's a sleek, modern design or a more ornate, traditional style. Mirrors can also be used creatively to highlight specific areas of a room. For instance, placing a mirror behind a piece of artwork or a decorative object can draw attention to it, adding an extra layer of interest. This technique not only enhances the visual appeal, but also contributes to a more dynamic and engaging space. Section 7. Decorative elements in muted tones. Once you've established a neutral backdrop, the next step is to incorporate decorative elements that enhance the serene ambiance of your home. Choosing pieces in muted tones ensures that the overall aesthetic remains cohesive and calming without overpowering the space. Consider adding accessories such as vases, cushions, and artwork in soft complementary shades. These elements can introduce subtle pops of color while maintaining the tranquil vibe of the room. For instance, a pale blue vase or a soft green throw can add interest without disrupting the harmony of a neutral palette. Plants are another excellent way to introduce color and life into neutral spaces. Their natural hues add warmth and vibrancy, while their presence can help purify the air and improve overall well-being. Choose low-maintenance varieties such as succulents or snake plants to easily integrate greenery into your home. Incorporating personal touches, such as family photos or travel souvenirs, adds character and makes the space feel truly yours. Choose frames and displays that complement the neutral palette, ensuring that these elements enhance rather than detract from the overall serenity. Section 8. Cohesive design with neutral palettes. Achieving a cohesive design with neutral palettes is all about balance and harmony. By thoughtfully selecting colors, textures, and decorative elements, you can create a space that feels unified and inviting. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your home, but also contributes to a sense of calm and tranquility. Start by choosing a base color that sets the tone for your space. This could be a soft white, a warm beige, or a cool gray, depending on your personal preference and the natural light available. Build upon this foundation by incorporating complementary shades and textures that add depth and interest. Layering different materials and finishes is key to creating a dynamic and engaging space. For instance, pairing a smooth leather chair with a textured wool throw adds contrast and visual interest. Similarly, mixing matte and glossy surfaces can enhance the sophistication of your decor. Finally, ensure that your design choices reflect your personal style and preferences. Whether you gravitate towards minimalist decor or prefer a more eclectic approach, a neutral palette provides the flexibility to express yourself. By focusing on balance and harmony, you can create a home that is both serene and uniquely yours. Section 9. Conclusion. The benefits of a neutral palette. In conclusion, transforming your home into a serene oasis with neutral colors offers numerous benefits. These shades, including beige, gray, and soft whites, are not only calming and stress-reducing but also versatile and timeless. They create a harmonious backdrop that enhances the spaciousness and flow of a home, making it a welcoming retreat from the outside world. Neutral colors allow for creativity in texture and design, enabling you to craft a cozy and inviting environment. By incorporating natural light and using mirrors strategically, you can amplify brightness and expand the sense of space. Complementary decorative elements in muted tones add character and interest, ensuring that your home remains cohesive and calming. Ultimately, choosing a neutral palette is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that supports relaxation and well-being, a place where you can unwind and recharge. In a world that often feels chaotic and fast-paced, Having a serene home environment is a valuable asset. Embrace the power of neutral colors and transform your space into a tranquil haven that nurtures both the mind and soul.